Montana Grills makes barbecuing tastier with the revolutionary Smokerin Smoker Set. The Smokerin Smoker Set will provide your food with the delicious flavor that only a Montana smoker set can provide. To begin experiencing the benefits of the Smokerin, preheat your barbecue to between 500 and 650 degrees Fahrenheit. While waiting, soak your Montana wood chips in juice, beer, or wine for a minimum of 15 minutes. The flavor's up to you. If you prefer to avoid additional flavoring, simply soak your chips in water. When chips are soaked, simply open the hatch of the Smokerin, scoop the chips into the Smokerin, and close the lid. Once the barbecue has been preheated, use the handle to place the Smokerin on the top of the grill. Once the Smokerin begins smoking, it's time to start barbecuing. For faster smoke times, place the Smokerin between the deflectors under the grill. If the space between the deflectors is too wide, use the brackets provided. If you choose, you can now move the Smokerin to the top of the grill, or you can leave it between the deflectors. It is crucial that you never place the Smokerin directly beneath any of the food being cooked, as dripping fat could cause flare-ups. Now that your food is cooking, confine the smoke by closing the lid of your barbecue. Keep the lid closed as much as possible to ensure the food absorbs all the delicious flavor. Once your food is cooked, turn off the barbecue. The ventilation and innovative design make the Smokerin a safe, fast, and easy way to add flavor to your cooking. Enjoy the smoky taste you desire without the extensive wait time. Just remember these great tips and you'll be ready to barbecue all your meals with the Montana Grill's Smokerin Smoker Set.